It'll ask for calibration, but I'll make sure all my keys, everything's out here. Phone keys away from them. So, okay. Calibrate compass. Okay, now I just have to wait for the GPS signal from the controller and the drone itself. It's recording. Okay, it's got full 11 GPS signal on the drone and 4 GPS signals from the controller, so I'm allowed, I can fly it, I can take off now. I can arm it, pull both corners out, take it up. I was making a yaw last time, I think it's still doing a yaw this time. It still has left yaw problem. Right, it's not as stable as I think. Maybe if I cut the controls off, we'll see what happens. Okay, switch to return to home. It should land, attempt to land. Will it land? Yeah, I'll just hover. I'll switch that off. Move it forward a bit. Cut the controls off, see what happens. Oh, I'll cut the controls off. It's not landing. No control, no signal, nothing. I'll switch on control. It'll just hover around here. I've got control again. Let's take it higher. A bit further. Switch the control off. Control off. It's not going to return home, it's just going to hover and hover and hover. Just hover and hover until it regains signal. It can't regain signal, can't do anything. Let's just switch back on. Signal back on again. Still got the left yaw problem. This arm, I'll switch off. So what I think is there's a problem with this drone's calibration. It's not calibrating what it should do. But make sure this time I've got absolutely nothing getting in the way of the drone itself. I'll keep it at least 2 miles away, and no, 2 meters away, and that will hopefully get all my electromagnetic stuff out of the way, and I can pause the camera. What I've done is some recalibrate the compass again, make sure all my keys, everything's out of my pocket. I've still got 11 GPS, 9 GPS control signals, so it's improved a lot more. It's dropped to 8 again. Let's arm it. It's improved a lot more. So if I stop the recording, it's a bit unstable the flight, but I can still see where I'm going. Very unstable compared to the other drone, so I don't know. Signal wise it's okay. I'm still flying and flying. Right, 28 meters, 100 meters away. Let's see, it's so unstable. Right, put it back then. Just gently move forward till 30 meters away. Keep fly a bit lower actually. High. Oh, it flies but a bit unstable. Trying to fly this thing. Doesn't fly that great. I'm going to hit the return to home. Is it going to return to home or not? It's turning. Supposed to be flying back now. Oops. It's very unstable, so I'll have to control it back again. Don't know what's going on. Very bad. Oh. Very bad control. I think it's something wrong with the calibration sticks. Very bad control. Switch GPS mode off. Switch GPS mode. Very unstable flight. Lots of left yaws and stuff. Oh, terrible control around here. I don't know, I think it needs a fix. It's a very bad flight, I'm not sure. Before I had this one, it was very good, very stable, but this time it's so bad. See, it just doesn't fly at all. Just give it another try.